Welcome to MK Prime Studies. Dear students, LAWCET 2024 notification have already come. Last date is 15th April 2024. So we are Focus Academy. We provide coaching for LAWCET, that is Telangana as well as AP. So TS LAWCET as well as AP LAWCET, both coaching will be offered at our academy. That is MK Prime Studies in association with Focus Academy of Competitive Examinations. So here in this video we look after the preparation and guidance, especially regarding the books and materials which is compulsory required for preparing the LAWCET. First of all, we shall know about the syllabus. The syllabus is general knowledge, current affairs and legal aptitude. And coming to the examination pattern, we have total 120 questions for 120 marks, which is again categorized into 30 marks for general knowledge and mental ability, 30 questions for 30 marks. And coming to current affairs, there is 30 questions are being given for 30 marks. And coming to the legal aptitude, it is 60 questions for 60 marks. So total 3 sections are there: general knowledge and mental ability, current affairs, legal aptitude for study of law, or legal aptitude, what we call it as. So in the previous video, I have given an explanation regarding what is this general knowledge and mental ability means. And regarding current affairs, how many months of current affairs you must prepare. And regarding legal aptitude, what does this section means. So please watch that video also so that you will get a clarity regarding the examination pattern as well as syllabus. Coming to the books, in the part A, that is the section A, you have general knowledge and mental ability. You can carry on this book, LAWCET's general knowledge. So LAWCET's general knowledge book is available in online, that is Amazon or else Flipkart, or you can go on to any other stationery shop and you can pick up this book, which is in English. The next, Arihant's general knowledge, GK today. Either okay, LAWCET or Arihant, you can go for any one book itself. The next, for quantitative aptitude, RS Agarwal. For reasoning also, verbal or non-verbal, RS Agarwal. You see this part A consisting of general knowledge and mental ability. For mental ability, you will be getting only 5 questions, hardly 5 questions, which carries 5 marks. And the rest 25 questions will be from GK and general studies. There is Indian constitution or Indian polity, Indian economy, Indian history, Indian geography, as well as world geography, science and technology, environment, disaster management. So from these areas, the questions will be asked you. Even the questions from history, even the questions from economy, that is what is budget, what is economic survey, what is finance commission, what is Niti Ayog, what are the Niti Ayog reports. Such questions will be asked in this section. And even the science questions will be asked. Around 3 to 4 questions will be carried from science also. Most of the questions are geography related. The next part B, this is very important, of course, current affairs. What's happening in our surroundings, like in the state level, national level, as well as international level. Such questions will be asked here. So you can go on with this book, Manorama yearbook, which is available in the market, 2024 edition. And you can also go for any yearly magazine, 12 months magazine, you can go on any current affairs yearly magazine. And coming to MK Prime Studies, we have launched a current affairs magazine for the last 12 months, which will be available in the market in a week. Okay, in a week or 10 days. So max to max in this month ending itself, we are going to launch. So already we have launched a 9 months current affairs. So from January 2023 to September 2023, which was very successful. And we are updating it for 12 months. So March to March magazine will be available in the market. Of course, the exam will be on June 3rd, and it is a online examination. So therefore, we need to be prepared for May 2024 current affairs also. For that, okay, we have an alternative. We also provide April as well as May current affairs. We'll release that in May ending. Okay, or else we can just you can just call us on 9030496929. Myself S Madhukiran. I'll guide you so regarding this current affairs section. Of course, any other section, part A, part B, part C also. So the next coming to the part C section. In this part C, you have legal aptitude or aptitude for the study of law. In this, classroom material is enough. Whatever I'm teaching in online, that material is enough classroom teacher material, as well as legal aptitude for topics from our comprehensive material. So we also provide you PDF materials which is available in our app, or else like we'll also deliver it to your home if you order us the materials, a comprehensive materials which carries all these part A, B, C. The next, Indian polity, which is very compulsory. So sixth edition you can go on if it is available in the market. Okay, so you can buy it, or else you can go on with Amazon or Flipkart, or you can go on with our constitution, that is NCRT books from 6th to 12th standard. 6th to 12th NCRT books are very necessary for studying our constitution. You can go on either of the books. You can go on with Indian polity, Lakshmikant, or you can go on with the NCRT books. And the next, AP Bharadwaj's legal aptitude book. So this is also an optional. This is also optional because already we are offering legal aptitude topics from our comprehensive materials and classroom materials. So these are the things, okay, following. So books which you need to prepare for LAWCET 2024. And coming to the tips and the strategies. First of all, the people preparing for LAWCET 2024, they must go thoroughly regarding the examination pattern. So we have three sections, 120 marks, 120 questions, and 90 minutes of time. So within the given time, you need to finish 120 questions, like 90 minutes, 120 questions. Yes, you can do it. And you should go through the syllabus also. Detailed syllabus is next already been discussed in the previous video. That also you need to go through. The next requires a well-rounded preparation strategy. Yes, all sections need to be justified here. So part A, part B, part C. So GK you need to prepare, current affairs you need to prepare, legal aptitude you need to prepare. You should go thoroughly regarding the part C section. What is legal aptitude? What is Indian polity, constitution? So recently CAA is being in news. What is this CAA means? Regarding electronic bonds. So what is this electronic bonds? Why Supreme Court has been very serious regarding this electronic bonds and have ordered State Bank of India to like reveal the electronic bonds of various political parties. So in a way, then about citizenship, you take example of parliament elections, you take example of budget, Article 112 of the Constitution, which speaks about the budget in such a way following. So you need to have a complete idea regarding the syllabus and examination pattern. Then solve previous year papers and analyze it. So it will be available in the market very soon within 1 week or 10. The next, allocate time for each section. So every day you see, if you prepare for 6 hours every day, so allocate time of 2 hours for each section. 2 hours for each section. Then attempt regular mock test. You see in our MK Prime Studies app, which is available in the Play Store, you please download it. And if you just call us on our WhatsApp number, we will add you into the particular batch so that you can attempt regular mock examinations. So subject wise tests are there as well as grand tests are there. So you need to attempt all these tests. So like hundreds and thousands of tests are available in our MK Prime Studies app, which is helpful for your LAWCET examination as well as if you're preparing for any other SSC exams, railways exams, bank exams, or UPSC, TSPSC. For those exams also we are offering you the test. And next, follow our coaching material also. Okay, following. So we sincerely suggest you to follow our coaching institute materials, which is very cut short. Okay, following. So which is very understandable. And If you have any doubts for further guidance, you can call us on 9030496929. And we are offering a LAWCET coaching for 2024, TS as well as AP. And we provide you online classes every day as well as printed materials and online examinations. Printed materials will be delivered to your home. The next new batch starts on 21st March 2024. So within just couple of days, we are going to launch this batch. So the fee will be discussed on the WhatsApp. So call us on 9030496929. So myself as Madhukiran, Director of Focus Academy, have launched MK Prime Studies, the online platform. I have 14 years of experience. So I'll even write articles for Namaste Telangana. I'm a columnist for Namaste Telangana paper as well as educational advisor for Sakshi Education YouTube channel. And I also teach in TSAT. So I'm available on Namaste Telangana paper as well as Sakshi as well as TSAT. Okay, following. So see you on WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.